In just 6 minutes or less than 6 minutes, I'm going to tell you why car burning oil smell in your car. Has it ever happened to you that as you are driving, you keep perceiving oil burning in your car? Don't worry, just stick around. I'm going to tell you what really happened and how you can fix that. I remember a friend that has similar problem. He called me that is as if someone is frying fish in his car, and I told him no one is frying fish in your car. That is what referred to as car burning oil smell. And I told him what to do. Do you want to know? Don't worry, just watch this video to the end. Now let's go down to the real topic. Why does a car smell like burning oil? That is the topic. I will tell you about 4 reasons why this happens. Number 1 is oil leak on hot surfaces. This usually happens when oil drop on exhaust manifold. When it happens, it's as if you are frying something and the smell will go even right inside the cabin of your car, and you keep perceiving oil burning in your car. That is number 1. Number 2 is one valve cover gasket. When your valve cover gasket is one that's broken, it allows oil leaks, and when oil leaks, it keep dripping on the hot component. That will cause oil burning smell in your car. And number 3 is when you have loose or damaged oil filter or drain plug. When you drain your oil and the drain plug is not properly tightened, it could allow drain plug it could cause oil dripping, and when that is happening, it's going to cause oil burning, smelling in your car. Sometimes it could be the oil filter. If the oil filter is not properly tightened to the right degree or to the right torque, that will also cause you to be perceiving oil burning in your car. And the last one I'm going to mention is blown head gasket. When you have blown head gasket, it will allow oil to drip in between your cylinder head and engine block. And when you have that and that keep dropping on a hot component, then you are going to be having oil burning smell in your car. So should you ignore it? The answer is no. If you ignore it, what does that mean? That could lead to serious damage to your car. How? Because when you keep hearing that smell, it's simply telling you that your oil level is reducing, and when your oil level is reducing, that is going to affect your lubrication, and you know that will lead to engine wear, overheating, or total engine failure. So don't ignore it. And when you ignore it, it can also lead to fire hazard. I know you don't want your car to get burned, so don't ignore oil smell in your car. Then how should you diagnose? It is very simple. This is what you need to do. Stop the car, open the hood and see where the oil is coming from. Then check your oil leakage, check where the spot where the smoke is coming from, and notice the smell. Does the smell come when you are driving or when you park? These are the simple clues on how to diagnose it. So how should you fix the problem? If it is head gasket, that means you have to replace the head gasket. But if the drain plug or oil filter is not properly tightened, that means you also have to fix it, retighten your drain plug and change your oil filter. Sometimes it could be the seal of the oil filter, you need to fix it. But if you have done all this and you still keep perceiving the oil smell, then you should contact a professional. Let me go back to my friend. Do you know what happened to my friend? It was a broken valve cover gasket. I told him to check that and he noticed that, and I told him to replace it. Immediately he replaced it, he washed the engine. That is how he no longer perceive oil smell. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more so that you will be notified immediately I drop another video. If you keep following me, promise your car will keep rolling. See you next time.